Recently, this product appeared on my Instagram feed as an ad and I saw it and I was surprised because I think this thing should be a bit more famous because of what it can actually do. And as you can see from this image here, it houses all of these items in a very small circular case, and it can also be a stand for your device as well. So in today's video, I'm gonna unbox it and show you how this thing actually works and what it has. Okay, so at the back here we can see there are a lot of information regarding this product here. I'm not sure what to call this. They just call it the Remax RC190 data cable set. There are actually a lot of similar kind of concepts of these kind of products, but not from Remax. It really depends on what you want in terms of shape and also maybe the price, because they do fluctuate quite a lot. So as you can see here, it says the cable length is at 29 centimeters. Output, all of them is at 3 amps maximum. And then the net weight is 47 grams. I got it in blue color. It's also available in, I think it's black or white. I kind of forgot about it. Data transmission speed is at 480 megabytes per second, which means it is USB 2.0. So you can see here, I don't know how to read Chinese. So I don't know why they're showing SD cards, but okay. Let's just unbox it and see what's inside. I don't really want to talk much about it. It also says 60 watts here, so it means that it can support up to 60 watts of power through 20 volts of power, which should mean USB PD is possible. So getting it out of the box, we can see here there's really nothing much other than this cartridge that holds the Remax RC190. Oh, we also have a QC sticker here. Not gonna touch that. So plastic wrap for the entire thing. And this is it. This is the Remax RC190. Camera, focus please. Okay, so let's peel this off. Just gonna stick this somewhere else. And we can see this case here actually has a rubber material all around this circumference here. And I presume this rubbery circumference here is actually to grip on the table, and as suspected, there's a stand at the back here which we can unfold by doing this. And how it holds your phone is like this, I guess. Oh, it actually works really well. I'm gonna show you this in another angle because currently a top-down camera can't really show you how it actually looks like, but it works really well. So I'm gonna collapse back the stand, and now we're gonna open up the Remax RC190. So it's held on magnetically. It's actually held on really tightly actually. So I think the best way to talk about this is to go through each of them individually. So we'll start off with the cable first. So this is a very standard USB 2.0 Type-C to Type-C cable, and since it also states that it can support up to 3 amps, so yeah, 60 watts of power should be possible with this cable. So as you can see here, it's a 30 centimeter cable, real short, but it gets the job done, and it's pretty simple. So yeah, USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And then I'm gonna leave this aside first. What else we have here is this one. This is a very important tool. So we can see this is a USB Type-A to a USB Type-C converter. So female and male, and this is of course a USB 2.0 Type-A port. What we can do is just plug one end of the Type-C cable to this adapter, and suddenly we can just plug this part into any old traditional Type-A charger and we can charge our devices. So that's nice. And now if you want to charge some other devices, for example your iPhone with the lightning cable, I also have this, so I can just plug it in this end here. So I can also plug it in here and convert one side of it to become a lightning port, and the other side here I can let it remain as a Type-C connection, or I can also plug in the Type-A dongle here, and then all of a sudden I got a Type-A to lightning cable instead of Type-C to lightning or Type-C to Type-C. This is a very versatile package overall. And lastly, let's not forget about the micro USB port as well. So as you can see here, micro USB at this side and a Type-C port as this side, and it functions more or less the same as how the lightning cable is supposed to function. So yeah, I'm just gonna change this to a micro USB, and all of a sudden I can power up some of the devices that are still using micro USB, though they are few and far in between, but it's still something nice to have. And let's not forget about the SIM ejector tool too, because as we can see here, there are slots for 2 nano SIM cards and also 1 micro SIM. I presume we can also fit in a micro SD card. Let me just get one here. I do have some spares. So micro SD card, I think it's supposed to go in this slot in this way. Nope, it doesn't actually hold a micro SD card slot, but that's okay. So I will take the SIM ejector tool here and take out my nano SIM card out of the iPad Air. So as you can see, the SIM ejector tool has a very long plunger. I'm not too sure what this thing is called, but some phones that are having a deeper SIM ejector tool, no, some devices really require a deeper SIM ejector tool. So this one, I would say it should work for those devices. So back here, as we can see, 2 nano SIM card slots. I'm just gonna use the top one, and there we go. Then the bottom one should work the same as well, and there we go. The reason why there are nano SIM card slots is because if you want to go travel and you want to buy their SIM card and use their local SIM cards for data, then you can put your existing SIM card into this little tray here so that it's protected and you won't lose it. And if you want to change your SIM cards on the go, you have all the tools that you need. And if you need any charging cables just in case, then this kit has it too. And yet, you want to know one thing that's good? This kit here is actually very cheap. I got this for like 20 ringgit or something like that, 20 ringgit plus a bit. And I would say it's a really good deal. Out of everything that is included in this case here, I am probably gonna use this combination the most. Type A to a Type C or a Type C to Type C, because yeah, I mostly have all my devices on Type C nowadays, so that's good. And lightning connectors, I don't know if this is MFI certified. I don't think it is, but it should still work for your Apple devices. So yeah, that's it. That's all I want to share about this Remax RC, what's the name again? RC190. It's a very simple device overall. It's not even a device, they call it like a data cable set, but I don't think it is suitable to call it that. It's more like a multi-purpose kind of travel kit that I think everyone should have one in their bags. So yeah, I'll leave all the links on where to buy this in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video.